Introducing the Freeform X by Precitech. The Freeform X is a compact 5-axis single-point diamond turning machine. The capabilities of the Freeform X provide value across numerous industries where component manufacturers are challenged with producing complex optical components like reality-based headwear and next-gen mobile devices. The Freeform X has unique capabilities that allow it to support current and future needs with 5 operational axes which facilitate a high level of machining flexibility. This includes 220 mm of Z travel, 200 mm of X-axis travel, and 100 mm of Y travel. The smaller structural loop of the Freeform X and the integrated and optimized TMC vibration isolation provides excellent stiffness and stability, enabling the manufacturing of optics with exceptional surface form, finish, and waviness. The Freeform X occupies less than 2 square meters, providing customers with a powerful machine in a compact footprint. This minimizes the use of valuable production floor space. When integrated with Precitech's proprietary Fast Tool Servo, the FTS 5000, and feature-rich FastCom software, the system provides unmatched capability for increasing productivity with up to 15 times faster processing times compared to standard XZC turning. A new feature in the FastCom software is our proprietary predictive adaptive control algorithm that enables a minimal number of cutting runs, saving additional time in the production of precision optics. The Freeform X represents the culmination of a unique set of enabling features to create the ideal diamond turning instrument for today's most demanding applications. Contact Precitech today at www.precitech.com.